Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to convert from one coin to another within Binance Exchange. For that, first you need to open the Binance Exchange. Then you will see an interface like this. First of all, you need to click on the mode. Then you will come to this page. Here you need to search for convert. So you see, after searching for convert, the convert option appears. Click on it. Then you will come to a page like this. You need to click here and select the coin where your fund is located. They told me the fund is in USDT coin here, so I will charge the USDT coin. You see that coin has appeared here, so I will select it. Then you need to click below and select the coin you want to convert to. I want to convert to Luna coin here, so I will select the Luna coin. So after selecting the Luna coin, you have to enter the amount here, how many dollars you want to convert. For example, I am entering $100. Then it will show you how much you will receive Luna tokens in exchange for $100. After that, you need to click on the trade option here. Then it will convert from USDT to Luna. In this way, you can convert from any coin to another within Binance. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.